Here's something you may get a kick out of. Since I bought my Anet A8 a couple of years ago, I guess it's been, I've always used Kira 14.07 because that's what came with it. I never had any problems with it, so I was okay with it and I stuck with it. Well, I downloaded version 3.3.1 a long time ago and never used it, so I decided to use it for the first time for a small project. After watching what happened to this print, I went back to 14.07. But I do need to download the most current version someday and try it. I came to the conclusion that this is what happens when your printer forgets to do something in the print and tries to go back and fix it. Now, I was able to fix my printer, but I don't know why this happened. It seems tragic, but try not to laugh as much as I did after watching this over and over again.